Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Let's learn fractional and negative indices in under a minute. First up first, we notice that we have a negative indice. How do you make the power positive? How do you make an index positive? Is by flipping the fraction. So let's flip the fraction. It's going to become x to the power 5, y to the power 9 over 9x to the power 7, y whole powered 1 over 2. Automatically, as soon as we flipped the fraction, the power became positive. Acha, what do we do next? Now, before you bring in the power, okay, you can notice that you have x on the top and bottom and you have y on the top and bottom. हमें नहीं चाहिए दो जगह x and y. We want it in one place. That means we're going to simplify. How do you simplify? This is a fraction. That means division हो रही है. जब same basis की division हो रही होती है, that means the powers are subtracting. So let's first deal with y. It's going to become 9 is going to remain as it is. Let's write down 9. ठीक है. Y to the power 9 divided by y. That's 9 minus 1 because there's no power. That means the power is 1. That's going to become y to the power 8 in the numerator. Now 5 minus 7 is minus 2. बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है. But हम क्या करेंगे? We want the power to be positive. हमें negative powers नहीं चाहिए. तो we will leave it in the denominator. इस तरह से power positive रहेगी. तो 7 minus 5 is 2. Let's leave it over here 2. This is still whole powered 1 over 2. Now, since we are now done with resolving हमारी y's और x's एक जगह है, now we're bringing in the power. Remember, for algebra हमारा rule separate होता है and for numbers हमारा rule separate होता है. With algebra, since it's a power on top of power case, आप क्या करोगे? Simply multiply the powers with each other. So, y to the power 8 multiplied by half or 1 over 2 divided by 9 to the power 1 over 2 and x square multiplied by 1 over 2. First of all, let's do simplification. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8. 2 and 2 cancel out. Okay, so this is going to become y to the power 4 over 9 to the power 1 over 2. That is square root of 9. हम इसको root और power form में put in करेंगे. The denominator of the power becomes the root and the numerator of the power becomes the power of the number. ठीक है, और ये बच जाएगा x. We all know this is pretty easy. Square root of 9 is 3. So the final answer is going to be y to the power of 4 over 3x. No further simplification can be done and we did it in